Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can upload and add attachments to your tasks in the TickTick application. So let us begin. So as you can see, I'm on site or on the TickTick application here in the web version. Navigate to your inbox inside your account, select the task. I will go with this one here. And then guys, you will see these options here to the right. So what you want to do is, for example, you may click into it here, and then you will have various options. For example, inside the task, you can give it a command to, let's say, I don't know, for example, slash, and then you can add an attachment from there, right? And then upload the file from your device, like a, I don't know, PDF document, image, PNG file, yeah, whatever it is, right? So that's how you do it. You can also click on these three dots here and select upload attachment to attach it to the selected task, like instructions, for example, for your co-editors. So that's the two options, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.